Second time around. This one didn't even bleach that well, so I'm using another black one that I really like. Oh, look, it's bleaching already. Hey. What's going on, Dragon Hero Creed? Whoa. What's going on, Dragon Creed? So, I know that I said the next video for Friday is going to be a gaming video, but a lot of things are happening this week, and I'll let you know what happens. But I have a interview at the comic book store down the street. It's so awesome, and I have to prep for that tomorrow. I don't have enough time to try and experiment with gaming footage today, and I won't tomorrow because I'm going to be preparing for that interview. And then on Friday, I'm not about to like last minute make up some footage and whatnot. I mean, I have the Minecraft footage, but the Minecraft footage, it's like the sound that came with it wouldn't translate into iMovie. So when I played the video in iMovie, there was no sound, it was just the video. So I had to do that voiceover in the last video. But for right now, we are gonna do a digital drawing. I made this wallpaper myself. Okay, I guess you can't really see it, but it's a Jake wallpaper. Anyways, let's go back to it. So here is what it looks like right now, and I will put in the time-lapse video. But so far, let's change the color to white. Okay, so there we go. Okay, Dragon Creed, get those wings out, you know what I'm saying? Get those dragon wings out. That's what that is. Before we finish the Dragon Hero comic style digital piece, I want to show you what I got at the comic book store. So first, I got some Green Lantern No Fear. This cover by Alex Ross, that legendary comic painter. It's amazing. So far, I'm liking it. I'm trying to figure out what it has to do without fear, but I haven't finished reading it, so we'll see. Then I also got Venom. I don't know, I love Venom. I think he's cool. If I could have any comic existed superpower, it would probably be Venom symbiote. I think it's epic. I saw this comic art before this comic was published by the artist, and he showed us this drawing, and he was like, Venom's a dragon, and I was like, so you know I had to get it. Anyways, I also got this Villains Outlaw. It's pretty cool. This not what I got. This is what I got. I love the cover for this. I'm trying to find some volumes instead of issues for Red Hood, but I can't. And I just found this, and I really like the cover, so I'm gonna study this cover for like art references or whatnot. But I don't know, I think it looks super sick. The fire, the katana, his mask, it's epic. And today I also got another Green Lantern, New 52. My friend recommended me New 52 Green Lantern, Sinestro. So I think it's gonna be more based about Sinestro instead of Hal. I know it's like Hal Jordan, but
his long name is like Holden or something.
Holden Caulfield. Hey, shout out to Miss Wallace's English class junior year. And then finally, I got Ultimate Spider-Man with Mark Bagley, the Ultimate Collection. I have a ton of comic like issues, like just small issues of Ultimate Spider-Man, the beginning, but I can't find them to finish like the first part of them. So I got the first volume of it so I could finish it, and then I'm just gonna get the rest in volumes. But I love Mark Bagley's art. It's because Michael Bendis is on here. The job interview at the comic book store was awesome. They had a ton of cool pop figures, Funko Pop figures, and action figures. They didn't have any cool Star Wars ones except for Luke in his Yavin ceremony suit.
But my Marvel Legend hunting days are over.
My collecting days might not be. I got a ton of action figures way up there, and I got more in my down below in my little chest of a bunch of action figures. But I'm gonna cool off a bit because I walked to the store. It was like a 5-minute walk, and I was playing Pokemon Go while I was walking to get those kilometers in. But I'm gonna cool down a bit, and then I'll continue with the drawing.
I got this for Christmas. Shout out to my family down in SoCal. Thanks for this Wolverine sip cup.